the morning coffee vibes, but we're rolling with it. Good morning, guys. It is Micaela. It has been a while, but I felt inspired to vlog today, so that's what we are doing. Just starting the morning off with celery juice. I've been doing this lately. I've been kind of loosely following Anthony Williams, aka Medical Medium's protocol about how to get your gut back into optimal health. And one of his main things is he really advocates celery juice on an empty stomach in the morning. So it's supposed to be really good for clearing out toxins, detoxing the liver, building up your stomach acid, and just aiding in digestion overall. And last time I chatted with you guys, I said that I was diagnosed with gastroparesis, which means that my stomach is partially paralyzed, and also dysternergic defecation, which means that I am chronically constipated, so all the fun stuff. I've been doing this for about a month, and he says to do about 16 ounces of celery juice in the morning, and I started off with like 4-ish just because I have a super sensitive system, and then just built myself up from there. And I filled this up all the way to the top this morning, and this is the third day of me doing that. I don't know how many ounces this is. My guess is maybe like 10, and I actually feel a dramatic difference. Like, my bloat is still there, but I've been a lot more regular in the bathroom, if you know what I mean. All my guys and gals out there who have constipation problems, better than an enema. So anyway, the coronavirus. I have been self-quarantining for now almost 3 months in California. It was in the mid of March that they did the whole shelter-in-place thing. So it's been a while, but honestly, it really hasn't affected me much. I work from home, number one. Number two, I don't go out to eat. Number three, I don't party. So the main thing that it has really affected is just me meeting people for coffee, going on day trips. I really miss that. But other than that, I've actually been kind of enjoying staying at home, introverting, doing some self-care, trying to heal my gut. I haven't been able to go to the doctor. Now that has really impacted me. I had some tests lined up with my GI, rheumatologist, neurologist, nutritionist. For a while I wasn't able to go to acupuncture, so that put a major crimp in my schedule. But I found an acupuncturist who is now taking patients, so I'm able to get back on my acupuncture schedule. Feeling good about that. So during shelter in place, I've been trying to be as productive as possible. My mom and I updated our Drifter Organics website, which was a major thing on our to-do list that we had been wanting to do for a very long time. But just this forced shelter in place really made us stay in one place and get it done. We worked with a web developer on it, and I'm gonna put a little screen on here so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm so happy with it. But I don't want to undermine the gravity of coronavirus because it is a very serious pandemic. It hasn't affected me personally, but if you or your family member, any loved ones, friends have gotten the virus or somehow have been affected by it, my heart goes out to you. So that's basically what I've been doing. What else? Oh, duh, I graduated. I graduated back in March. I was like this awkward mid-year graduate because the last class I had to take was in the winter. My school is on a quarter system. It ran from January through March. So then I graduated at the end of March, and then I was planning on going to Savannah, where my school is based, Savannah College of Art and Design. And I was planning on walking during the commencement at the end of May. So that got canceled. We had a virtual commencement, which was kind of cool. Not the same as being there in person, but I am hoping that they will let some of the class of 2020 walk with the class of 2021 next year. I feel like there's going to be a lot of people who request that. So hopefully they will have some mercy on us because it's a once in a lifetime thing. So although the degree does count more than the formality of walking, but I was just actually looking forward to walking because I went to school for 8 years doing it part-time, getting my BFA in graphic design, 100% online. So it would be kind of nice to do something that was more on the traditional side of things instead of graduating virtually too, although it is kind of ironic that I went to school for 8 years online and now I graduated online too. Other things that I have been doing during quarantine, lots of baths, lots of skincare. I've been listening to a lot of podcasts. One thing that I've been wanting to do more is listen to more audiobooks, but I've just put on the podcast train lately, and I actually made an Instagram highlight on my Instagram stories about my favorite podcasts, my favorite TV shows as of late, my favorite books, not any books that I've read lately, but just books of all time in case you're looking for any recs. This is the first time actually that I have watched TV shows when they have been current. I tend to watch shows years after they've already been out, and I don't really stay up to date on TV too much, but it's actually been nice being able to tune in regularly to something that other people are watching at the same time. Kind of feels like I'm a part of a family. But I am going to work on finishing up my celery juice, and I will see you later. It is finally time to address the disaster zone that is also known as my bathroom. It's not unclean. I cannot stand messes, so the bathroom itself is clean, but as you can tell, I have a habit of just throwing clothes on the floor and not picking up after myself. I'm exposing myself for who I really am, but it's finally time to pick everything up and make this bathroom look better. I actually tried to redecorate a little bit a few weeks ago. I bought this ladder towel rack, and I had planned to put all of my towels that are stuffed in there on the towel rack, and I never finished. So that's that. I bought this bamboo hamper from the Container Store, and I bought this print from Society 6, but I never hung it up. I think I'm going to hang it up where the towel ladder is, and then put the towel ladder in front of this towel bar. I tried to take this off before, but I just couldn't figure out how to take it off. I don't want to mess it up because this is a rental. So I think if I just put the ladder over here, it will camouflage it. You won't really see it too much. And I think that's it. I'm gonna give myself an hour and the bathroom is gonna look so much better. Even though the lighting is absolutely hideous because this bathroom gets no natural light, it's pretty big actually for an apartment bathroom. Not mad about it. Much improved. PSA, if you're thinking about buying IKEA towels, don't do it. They stain so easily. Like, I don't even know what these stains are. I just got these like last month. They're already discoloring. Feeling clean and I feel so good. And yes, I just changed to take an Instagram picture because I'm all about that gram life. That, my friends, is as basic as it gets. Also, this is my skincare company. Shout out Drifter Organics. Yo, check us out. drifterorganics.com. My own company that I run with my mom. I'm out of face oil. This is my holy grail. You guys should go get it. It's really so good. Just got something very exciting in the mail from Framebridge. It's not my diploma, but it's something almost as exciting. It's a picture from the photo booth from Palm Springs that my mom and I went to. And go next to City of Girls. Excellent book, by the way. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy with it. Aww. I hope you enjoyed following me around my day at home. We did a medley of things. We did a little gut chat. We did a little redecorating of my bathroom. We did a little unboxing. Honestly, days like these that I just spend at home kind of puttering around and getting things done are some of my absolute favorites. So it was so fun to take you guys along with me. Oh, let me know if you are interested in me making a video specifically about different things that I've been doing to speed up my digestion. I don't know if that interests you or if it bores you. I've been doing a lot of things lately to try to heal my gut, and I feel like I've gotten to a place where I have found a few things that I feel comfortable of recommending. So if you are interested in that, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy wherever you are located as shelter in place lifts. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if you'd like, ring the notifications bell to be notified of every time I upload, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!